can see the difference here. You're seeing the sound.
वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग ऑफ सोम्स लाइफस्टाइल। एंड बहुत दिनों बाद मैं प्रॉपरली कोई गाड़ी फीचर करूँगा। बहुत दिनों से अटका पड़ा था, पूजा था, ये था, वो था, बहुत दिनों से अटका पड़ा था। एंड वी आर हियर एट मोटोक्रॉस कोलकाता। एंड जब भी इधर पे आते हैं यू गाइस नो तबाही सीन होता है। सो बहुत ही स्पेशल गाड़ी है। टाइटल एंड थंबनेल में आप लोग ने देख ही लिया होगा, बेलिनो कन्वर्टेड टू RS। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सिनेमैटिक्स। देन बताते हैं गाड़ी में क्या क्या मोड जो है पूरा रेडी किया गया है गाड़ी को। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो, एंजॉय द सिनेमैटिक्स।
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go.
So again we have Gaurav bhaiya in the channel. Welcome back.
Hello everyone.
So firstly, number please sir.
Yeah, it's 9007 101518.
And we have a very special car right in front of us. So इसमें क्या क्या काम हुआ है पहले से?
Where do we start? Never ending. Like
हाँ,
ये गाड़ी में बहुत काम हुआ। इसमें ये नॉर्मल बेलेनो आया था हम लोग के पास। सो इसमें हम लोगों ने पूरा RS कन्वर्जन किट किया है। You can see the whole thing is the RS model kit. Now we completely got it from Maruti itself. And there was a lot of chrome on the car. बहुत सारा chrome था. We de-chromed everything. De-chrome करने के बाद हम लोगों ने इधर नीचे प्रोजेक्टर फॉग लाइट्स दिया है जो लेज़र प्रोजेक्टर्स है। Then the owner wanted a racing look, so we added these bumper fasteners. Looks very nice. तो दोनों कॉर्नर्स में हम लोगों ने दिया है। देन आफ्टर दैट वी पुट अ वेरी यूनिक नंबर प्लेट। दिस इज कॉल्ड 7D लेज़र जेल प्लेट। सो आप लोग देख सकते हैं, दिस इज एनग्रेव्ड इन एक्रिलिक, ऊपर जेल का पूरा किया हुआ है विद द बेलेनो RS बैजिंग डन। तो बारीकी से बहुत काम हुआ है इस गाड़ी पे। कम ओवर ऑन द साइड। Even the side skirt is from the Baleno RS. We put the alloy wheels from Lenzo. Again, you know about Lenzo very well. So we put Lenzo alloys with Yokohama tires.
कितने इंच का है?
This is 16 inch. We put this eyebrow over here just to match with the color with the wrap what we did. So we added.
Whole car is wrapped.
Yes, it is wrapped in satin silver.
Satin silver.
Now we added this black continuation with the grill, so that looks very nice. Because chrome was looking too gaudy, so we removed all the chrome from the car. We blacked out the mirrors, the door visors, all the chrome trims which were there, the handles. We put the modified tail light, which is the Mercedes style tail light, come out now. The RS badging all in black. We put a normal DRL at the back, reflector DRL. We painted all this in piano black. The lip spoiler is also in piano black. The spoiler on the top with the roof is in hypergloss piano black. Now all these are wrapped totally, so whenever, anytime after 6 months or a year or after 2 years also, if you want to bring it back to original, so you can easily do it. आराम से जो था आपका वही रह जाएगा। इसमें आपका कुछ भी ओरिजिनलिटी ख़राब नहीं होता है. यू कैन कीप इट फॉर अ फ्यू मंथ्स जस्ट फॉर फन एंड अगेन टर्न बैक टू ओरिजिनल wherever you want. Now talking about the Underglow, this is a mobile based app, so you can change any color you want. You can make it red, green, magenta, any color you want. ये गाड़ी में बहुत मेहनत की है हम लोगों ने ऑडियो में. We put 2 4-channel amplifiers. This is from Excelsus, which is a new brand come out now, and I really love this brand because the sound quality is just top notch. Comparing with other brands now in this price, I would say this is one of the best products now available in India. And we are officially over here in West Bengal with Excelsus. You can get the whole range starting from 10,000. The speaker range goes up till 3 lakhs. So we have all in stock. This is JL Audio 4-channel amp 400.4. This is connected. This is connected. Now this is a mono block which the customer existingly had from Servin Vega. So we used it for this woofer, for the JL Audio sub. Now going down, you can see we have a Rockford Fosgate DSR1. That's a digital signal processor for the music. We have a distribution block for all the mainline wirings which are coming inside in one terminal, and it distributes into 2. So if anything goes wrong, this will blow off. It has a fuse inside. These are the crossovers which are there for the speakers. These are all there. These are the crossovers for the mid-range. Everything is all copper braided wires. Oxygen free copper wires are used. No terminals are cut or slotted or anything. It's done very neatly. Damping, again, we have used over 35 to 40 sheets because this is a Maruti car and they don't use sort of sound deadening inside the car. So we had to do the roof, the flooring, all the sides and all the sides. So you can like hit the body and see there is no distortion anywhere. Till the ceiling over here, till this height over here. Even the roof is done. All the panels are done. All these panels. You can see the difference here. You're seeing this sound. This is heavy. Come over here. Coming to the front door. This is also heavy. Now when you come to the fender, because this is not damp, see the difference. See the difference. So here comes the sound deadening thing which we have done. The front components are from Audible Physics. It's a AP 1.6. This is a mid-range which is there. This is also from Audible Physics. These are all custom made. Now we added all these to the amplifiers via the crossovers. So this is a passive setup, but it's done very neatly and in a very short span of time. So everything is complete. It's out for delivery right now. We have kept it ready and our customer is also on his way right now. He's about to come. So you can also talk to him and ask him about his experience for the past years. He's been coming to us with all his cars. You can ask him about the experience as well. The bass knob is also over here for the monoblock. We have added an ambient lighting inside just to give an aesthetic look. This is all what we have done. Apart from this, we have added a fabric which is also used in Mercedes. All the models, they use the same fabric for the roof lining. We have made it black. The pillars are all in black. So it's done up with a very dark interior so that it matches all the seats and the dashboard. See, it didn't want the almond color going on the ceiling. So you can take a look at all the look which is done.
Let's hear the output now.
Sure.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to God.
So I hope you enjoyed this crazy video. So if you guys enjoyed this video for whatsoever reason, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bells on. Follow me on Instagram at @invalid.username 404. As always, I'm at the end of today's video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Bye bye.
Only if I let it be, I can control anything.